On this auspicious occasion of Dussehra, our entire team at Corp is thrilled to finally unveil our much anticipated VIP 3.1 with its groundbreaking ultrasonic feature, setting a new benchmark in the industry. Join us as our Managing Director, Mr. Sanghvi, cuts the ribbon and shares insights on the advancements in our machine.
Happy Dussehra to all of you. I am very excited today to launch on this auspicious day our new machines VIP 3.1 and 3.1 Ultra. Both the machines we are launching today with considering a lot of advantage giving to the customer based on their feedbacks. The very important one is the weighing accuracy, which is thanks to the controller electronic load cells, which is able to achieve the accuracy of plus or minus 100 grams of 50 kg bag. Besides the accuracy, yes, there was a limitation of the hopper to be achieved of nearly 4 to 5 tons above the machine, which is also eliminated in this. This cannot be required anymore. Normally, we have seen that there is a lot of spillage taking place into the machine, which is also a big loss to the customer. What we have done is there was a slide gate which was from the where normally it was observed a huge amount of spillage coming out from the slide gate. At the same time, which is so our new slide gate, which is a sealed one, hence there is no spillage now from the slide gate. It is totally sealed gate we have done. It's a leak-proof gate. And there is one additionally, normally when you insert the nozzle, on the nozzle, between the nozzle and the wall, there is a lot of back pressure was causing a huge spillage. We have an inflatable seal installed in the nozzle, which inflates and fill up that gap between the nozzle and the wall. This will ensure that there is no leakage coming out from there is no back pressure and no leakage coming out due to the back pressure. These are some of the very important advantage of this new machine what we came out with, and I am sure you will appreciate this machine in a like you have accepted earlier machines, and you will find this very much useful. We have also developed one more machine, that is VIP 3.1 Ultra, which has ultrasonic sealing. I'll hand over. My son Devansh will explain you about the machine and its features. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Devansh, and today I'll be talking about our latest innovation, that is the ultrasonic sealer for our valve baggers. The ultrasonic sealer comes with all our valve baggers, that is screw, impeller, and even air packer. And if you have an existing packer in your premises, you can even retrofit that with our ultrasonic systems. One of the key features of this attachment is that it is completely automatic and does not require any extra labor, due to which the overall productivity will also not be hampered in your system. If you are looking for a spillage-free and a clean environment at your premises, then this can be a perfect solution for your packers. Since your product will be sealed, there won't be any issues with weight variation while transporting or exporting your products. And if you're looking for this spill-free solution, feel free to come to our premises for trials with your bags and materials, which we will try for your products. And if you have any problems, we can deliver like a better solution or like a custom-made solution for you. We will showcase a demo in the next video for you. Thank you.
If you are eager to learn more about this advanced machine, we warmly invite you to visit us at our factory in Goregaon for a live demonstration. Alternatively, we can arrange for an online demo for your convenience. Stay tuned for more updates.